In this video we're giving an honest and clear review of Coinbase Wallet, highlighting what it does well and what to watch out for. Coinbase Wallet is a non-custodial wallet, meaning you control your private keys and recovery phrase, and the company never holds your funds. It supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, ERC20 tokens, and NFTs, and allows you to connect with decentralized apps, dApps, swap tokens, and interact with DeFi platforms directly from the app. The interface is clean and beginner-friendly, and you can add extra security by using biometric locks or integrating with hardware wallets. However, there are important limitations. If you lose your recovery phrase or your device is compromised, there's no way to recover your funds. Transaction and network fees can be high or unpredictable, especially on busy blockchains. Customer support is limited, so mistakes or lost keys are ultimately your responsibility. Some niche tokens may not be fully supported, which can be an issue for advanced users. Overall, Coinbase Wallet is great for users who want control over their crypto, easy access to DeFi, and a simple interface for managing multiple assets. For storing larger amounts long-term, pairing it with a hardware wallet is recommended. For more honest crypto wallet reviews and smart tips, subscribe and stay updated.